The truth is you are not the only person concerned about 15 cool all-terrain vehicles that have reached a new level. The Visuva is a next-generation main battle tank, MBT, being developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, for the Indian Army. It is named after the Sanskrit word for equinox, and is intended to be a leapfrog over existing MBTs in terms of firepower, protection, and mobility. The Visuva will be equipped with a 120mm smoothbore main gun, which will be capable of firing a variety of ammunition, including APFSDS, heat, anti-rounds. The tank will also be equipped with a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun and a 12.7mm remote weapon station. The Visuva will be protected by a modular armor system, which will be able to withstand hits from a variety of anti-tank weapons. The tank will also be equipped with an active protection system, which will be able to intercept and destroy incoming threats. The Visuva will be powered by a 1,500 horsepower engine. The Super Villa is a luxury villa located in the SX20 hybrid community in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is a one-of-a-kind property that offers stunning views of the city skyline and the Arabian Gulf. The villa has a built-up area of 10,000 square feet and sits on a plot of land of 20,000 square feet. It has 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a private swimming pool, a jacuzzi, a sauna, a steam room, a gym, and a cinema room. The villa is finished to the highest and features marble floors, granite countertops, and custom-made furniture. It also has a state-of-the-art security system and a home automation system. The Super Villa is the perfect place to relax and unwind in luxury. It is also a great place to entertain guests. The villa is located close to all the major attractions in Dubai. The StabiX 250UC is a new amphibious vehicle that was launched in 2023. It is designed to be used for a variety of tasks, including search and rescue, law enforcement, and military operations. The StabiX 250UC is powered by a 250 horsepower engine that gives it a top speed of 30 knots on water and 60 miles per hour on land. It has a range of 400 miles on water and 300 miles on land. The StabiX 250UC can carry up to 12 people or 2,500 pounds of cargo. It is equipped with a variety of features, including a forward-looking infrared, FLIR, camera, a night vision system, and a radar. The StabiX 250UC is a versatile and capable vehicle that is well suited for a variety of missions. It is a valuable asset for any organization that needs a reliable and effective amphibious vehicle. Here are some of the key features of the StabiX 250UC. 250 horsepower engine. The DraXter Profi 2.0 is a new electric scooter that was released in 2023. It is designed to be a high-performance scooter that is suitable for both commuting and leisure riding. The DraXter Profi 2.0 is powered by a 1000W electric motor that gives it a top speed of 35 miles per hour. It has a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge. The DraXter Profi 2.0 is equipped with a number of features that make it a safe and comfortable ride. These features include front and rear disc brakes, a suspension fork, and LED lights. The DraXter Profi 2.0 is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-performance electric scooter. It is a fast, comfortable, and safe ride that is perfect for both commuting and leisure riding. The TINGER TF4 is a new all-terrain vehicle, ATV, that was released in 2023. It is designed to be a versatile and capable vehicle that is suitable for a variety of tasks, including work, recreation, and transportation. The TINGER TF4 is powered by a 1,100 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine that gives it a top speed of 50 miles per hour. It has a range of up to 200 miles on a single tank of gas. The TINGER TF4 is equipped with a number of features that make it a capable off-road vehicle. These features include a four-wheel drive system, independent suspension, and high ground clearance. The TINGER TF4 is also equipped with a number of features that make it comfortable and convenient to use. These features include a winch, a tow hitch, and a cargo bed. The TINGER TF4 is a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile and capable ATV. It is a powerful, comfortable, and easy-to-use vehicle that is perfect for a variety of tasks. The PRINOTH LEITWOLF H2 Motion is a new hydrogen-powered snow groomer that was unveiled in 2023. It is the first snow groomer in the world to be powered by hydrogen fuel cells, and it represents a significant step forward in the development of sustainable snow grooming technology. The LEITWOLF H2 Motion is powered by a 120 kilowatts hydrogen fuel cell system, which provides it with the same power and performance as a conventional diesel-powered snow groomer. However, the LEITWOLF H2 Motion produces zero emissions, making it a much more environmentally friendly option. The LEITWOLF H2 Motion is also a very quiet snow groomer, which makes it ideal for use in sensitive areas such as national parks and wildlife refuges. The LEITWOLF H2 Motion is a major breakthrough in the development of sustainable snow grooming technology. It is a powerful, efficient, and environmentally friendly snow groomer that is sure to make a big impact on the snow grooming industry. Here are some of the key features of the PRINOTH LEITWOLF H2 Motion. The McLaren Extreme E is an electric off-road racing car that was developed by McLaren Racing for the Extreme E racing series. The car was unveiled in October 2020, and it made its competitive debut in the first race of the 2021 Extreme E season. The McLaren Extreme E is powered by a 550 kilowatts electric motor, which gives it a top speed of 124 miles per hour. The car has a range of up to 13 miles, and it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The McLaren Extreme E is built around a lightweight carbon fiber chassis, and it features a number of aerodynamic elements that help to improve its performance. The car also has a number of safety features, including a roll cage and a fire suppression system. The McLaren Extreme E is driven by a two-driver team, consisting of one male and one female driver. The team is led by former Formula One driver Gilles de Ferran. The McLaren Extreme E is a significant car for McLaren Racing. The ENVO e-ATV is an all-electric ATV that was released in 2023. It is designed to be a high-performance and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered ATVs. The ENVO e-ATV is powered by a 1000W electric motor that gives it a top speed of 30 miles per hour. It has a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge. The ENVO e-ATV is equipped with a number of features that make it a capable off-road vehicle. These features include a four-wheel drive system, independent suspension, and high ground clearance. The ENVO e-ATV is also equipped with a number of features that make it comfortable and convenient to use. These features include a winch, tow hitch, and a cargo bed. The ENVO e-ATV is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-performance and environmentally friendly ATV. It is a powerful, comfortable, and easy-to-use vehicle that is perfect for a variety of tasks. Here are some of the key features of the ENVO e-ATV.